pages of your phone, or you can also open it right here in this area by clicking where it says open. And that'll take you over to the home page of the Venmo app. Go down to the bottom and it says sign up with email. Click on that. You can also sign up with a Facebook account if you'd like to do that. But for this example, I'm going to click where it says sign up with email. And then simply type in your first name, your last name, your email address, and then the password that you want to associate with your Venmo account. And then click next. And then that takes us over to this page where we can read over the user agreement, privacy policy, and other specifications that's going to be related to our Venmo account. And then once you read that and everything checks out to you, click agree up here in the upper right-hand corner. And then they're going to text you a unique code to verify your phone. So you enter in your phone number right here and then click submit. And then you're going to get a 4-digit code that you enter in right here and then click submit code after you've done that. And then you're going to enter in a username for your Venmo account, which is going to be @, and then you can just have it be your first and last name or something else that you'd like to enter in here for your username. And then after you've done that, click next. And then that takes us to the next page here where we can connect with contacts, quickly find your friends through Venmo. So click next right here. And Venmo will ask for permission to access the contacts on your phone. So if you want them to do that, you can allow. If not, you can deny. And then you can also connect through Facebook, which is another way that you can connect with friends and family through Venmo. Or you can skip these options and then click Not Now here at the bottom. And then that takes us over to our payment settings, and it's automatically going to be set up as public so that everyone can see your payments. But if not, you can also change this so only your friends can see your payments, or you can also make them private. And just to quickly show you where you can change these settings once you get to the home page of the Venmo app, you're going to click these 3 horizontal lines in the upper right-hand corner to open up the menu. And then go down towards the bottom here where it says settings and click on that. And then in your account settings area, go down and click where it says privacy. And like I said, it's automatically going to be toggled to public where everyone can see your payments. If you want it so only friends can see your payments, you can click that option here. Or if you want them to be private, you can also select that option right here. So now after going over our payment settings, we're going to click done here in the upper right-hand corner. And if you want, you can set up to have notifications turned on through the Venmo app. Or if you don't want that, you can also click here where it says not now. And you'll also have the option here to allow Venmo to access your device's location, so you can deny or allow that access to Venmo. And then that takes us right into the homepage of the Venmo app. And from the homepage, you can go to the bottom and click where it says pay or request. And you can search for people by name, username, phone number, or email to either send or request funds from them. And going back to the homepage, you can also scan QR codes. Down here in the bottom left-hand corner, when you click on that, you can either scan someone else's QR code to send funds, or you have your own QR code that you can find in the scan area, right where it says Venmo Me up here at the top. And that will give you your own unique QR code in this area right here that other people can scan and use to send you funds